Okay, so today we're going to be doing a demo for how to set up a project in the SDA. So once you go to the login screen, you can type in your screen name and password and hit sign in. And after that, you want to go to setup project. You're going to create a new project. For this sake, we'll just type in project name as demo vid. We'll leave description out of this. So you want to use one of the existing process templates, and so you can choose from the basic processes that you've uploaded already. Right now we're going to choose from 3.1 because that's one of the simpler projects. And then you can go to this screen and hold down Control and add all the members you want in your project and hit add. We'll go next. Project lead, we'll just make that myself for right now. Go next. And observers, we can have software assurance observe us because that's the job. And then that'll bring you to capabilities. Pretty much standard, just works fine. If you want to change up people's capabilities, you can go back and do that manually in the setup page. So tools, we'll just do training, project summary, message boards, bug flow, action item, and document control. Add these over one by one. Hit next. And here you can choose the groups that you want to see or to work on your project. So have demo group, and then just have NASA software assurance. So you can have multiple groups actually working on your project. Hit next. So if your project has a SharePoint repository, you can add that URL in here, but we're not going to do that for now. Just going to go next. And then you want to choose to manually start the project later. Hit finish. Okay, and then you successfully created the project, and to actually start it you want to go into edit existing projects, choose the project you just created, and hit start project. Okay, and then it brings you back here and you know that you've started your project. So now I'll show you some of the different tools you can use in the setup project. Edit users, edit project lead, edit project observers, edit capabilities, edit tools, and edit project groups, as well as edit project SharePoint configuration. We're all in the setup project process that you just went through. Edit deployment, we're not going to do that for now because we're just keeping it local. You can also initialize a new project through this button. Edit project relations is a neat tool to use because if you're working on a specific tool, say in the James Webb Telescope, you can have a parent project of James Webb Telescope, and then your project can be that specific tool that you're working on. And then you can have, say, children projects, maybe just doing the software aspect of that tool that you're using. So that's kind of neat. Tailoring wizard, that isn't being used yet, so we're going to skip that. Tailoring criteria, that's where you can set sort of the standards that you want in order for activities to be complete when you're tailoring your process. I'll show you that in the lifecycle page soon. Okay, so we're done for now. And then you want to go to the projects under the toolbar at the top. Go to the project you just made. And then it'll come up with the lifecycle with the different activities that I was talking about. You can tailor the life cycle as you go along, as you progress. You can mark off what's being worked on as active, what you've done as being complete, and so forth. perform work, you can actually do work in SDA through the different products that you have uploaded to this page. Manage work, this is where you can also change what activities you've done and whatnot. You can set the start dates and the end dates, so that'll allow you to keep a nice schedule in there. Products, this can be URLs to links that you've purchased memberships in, or applications that you're working on for your project. And tools, these are the tools that we chose when we were setting up the project. We have action items, training, project summary, bug flow, document control, message boards. That's it. Action items, you can assign action items to the members of your project by delegating new action item, getting reports back. Training, you can assign new courses to project members. You can create courses through these templates, and you can upload training materials to this as well. Project summary, that'll help you track what progress you've done pretty quickly through the project management and lifecycle. Bug flow, if you encounter a bug in SDA, you can log that through new bug, and that'll allow you to get better feedback to the developer so that he can help you. Document control, this is where you can upload your own documents for the project so that everyone else can work on those and be able to view those like Knowledge Now does now. And message boards, if you want to talk, put out an important message, say progress that you've made or something you need help with, you can do that under the message boards. And that is it for project orientation. Have a good day.